In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change GPT-5 personalities on ChatGPT to create custom personalities. This can be a fun and useful way to tailor the chatbot's responses to suit your needs, or just to enjoy a different interaction style. To start, open your favorite web browser and head over to Google. Simply type ChatGPT into the search bar, and you should see a link to the ChatGPT website at or near the top of the results. Click on that link to enter the ChatGPT website. Once you're on the ChatGPT site, you'll need to access your profile. Look towards the lower left corner of the screen, where you'll see an icon that represents your user profile. Click on it to expand more options. Next, navigate your way to the Settings section. Here, you'll find various options related to how the ChatGPT interface behaves. Click on Settings, and then look for the Personalization tab. This is where you'll be able to customize the behavior of your GPT-5 experience. Within the personalization options, you'll come across a toggle labeled Enable Customization. Ensure that this toggle is switched on, as this will activate the ability to change and define new chatbot personalities. Now, it's time to define your custom personality settings. You'll likely encounter two text boxes, one for the chatbot's name and another for personality attributes. Alternatively, there may be a drop-down menu listing preset personalities like cynic, robot, listener, or nerd. You can select from these presets or define your own unique personality by inputting specific traits in the text box. Head over to the section labeled Custom Instructions. You'll want to specify how you'd like ChatGPT to respond. This can involve defining the tone, style, and language structure. For instance, you might want the responses to be formal, concise, and professional, avoiding casual language, emojis, or slang. You could even specify that the chatbot uses standard business formatting depending on the context in which you'll be using it. After configuring the custom settings to suit your desired personality and tone, make sure to click on Save. This step is crucial because it locks in your customization and ensures that your preferences are applied to all subsequent interactions with the chatbot. And there you have it. With these steps, you now know how to change GPT-5 personalities on ChatGPT. Feel free to experiment with different settings to find the approach that best aligns with how you want the chatbot to interact. Whether you're using it for professional purposes, casual conversation, or something else entirely, personalizing ChatGPT can make the experience much more engaging and suited to your needs. Enjoy crafting your unique chatbot presence.